The truth is very simple, and is always going to be very simple, dear Sagittarius. There's nothing complicated or intricate about the truth. What makes it complicated and or intricate is this: the mind, the thoughts in the mind. Otherwise, I feel like the truth is so simple that we miss it very often. And we miss it very often because our attention is on somewhere down the road out there trying to figure out how we can make things happen. So there's an energy of force that we're constantly operating with and through and at that can deplete the body in ways that we're not even aware of until we hit a wall. What is this saying to you today, dear Sagittarius? What's your opportunity? Most important is to be in the present moment and recognize, start to pay attention to what are the thoughts that are running the show at the moment. And there's maybe 2 or 3. And I want to say they're the same content. It's the same energy, but the words can change. But there's 2 or 3 stories that are continuously running in the background, in the forefront. They're just always running. Your opportunity today is to just unplug from those 2 or 3 stories. And it's going to take a great deal of present moment awareness to be able to unplug or disidentify from those 2 or 3 stories. That's where your power is today.